With me today, I have a pioneering figure in the Malaysian legal system, Miss Kokila Vaani. She is the first female chairperson of Selangor Bar and is currently serves as the head of civil litigation at Kumar Chambers in Petaling Jaya. Ms. Koki, following up on the topic of custody care and control for the children, I heard, I'm not too sure, and please correct me if I'm wrong, is there a general rule that kids below 10 years old automatically go to the mother, in particular if it's girls?
Yeah, I think this is something that many people think, but the truth is why the courts actually do that is because at the tender age below 10, a lot of mothers are still breastfeeding. So the courts feel that you should not be taking away the comfort of the child away from the mother. That is why the mother was usually given preference at the age of 10. But the courts, like I mentioned now, they are actually looking at the interests of the kids. There are many mothers who actually do not want the custody and care child. They do not fight for it. So therefore, or they feel that the father would have been the funder of the family, the sole breadwinner of the family, and the child will still be better with the father. If the father can actually show that in his household there are females, like i.e. his mother or his sister, who is taking care of the female child, then I think the courts may consider actually allowing the father to have custody, care and control of the female child below 10.
Below 10, so it's
and
not 12,
they also
below 10.
usually ask, they may also usually, the court, the judges may also bring the child away to interview the child and ask the child, who would you actually want to be with if there is actually a contest between the father and the mother, and usually it will be done in a separate room to make sure the child is not scared and it's not a courtroom sentiment that the child is being afraid of, or to make sure that the child is not being coached or parented by a certain parent, you know, so that they will be brought and to be interviewed to make sure who the child actually wants to be with and why.
Okay. This is, I think, the current generation. I'm saying this is because we see a lot of it now. A lot of youngsters now, they opt not to have kids, and instead they have pet or pets. So when a young couple is going through a divorce, how do you, is there custody for the pet or pets? How does it work in a Malaysian law now?
I think there is no law per se, but you can actually put it as an agreement under your mutual divorce, where you can actually say that, you know, you can co-parent the pet, because I'm sure both parents, i.e. the ex-wife and the ex-husband, will still want to have the pet with them because it is their fur baby,
right?
You know, so I think for many instances the co-parenting terms will apply to the pet just as much as a child, you know. And I've seen this in a breakup situation, maybe not in this one, where they have agreed that one party will come and pick up the pet and keep that pet, or will basically come and visit the pet at a certain supervised time as well. So I think it is very much like a real child to the parents.
That would also involve maintenance cost, or like where they will have to pay for the bills and all that. Also,
I mean, to bring the child for bringing the fur baby to like vets, I suppose, or if the fur baby gets sick, you know, or anything that involves that. I think these are the things that you can put it under your terms of divorce to say that this is how we are going to take care of our fur baby.
Interesting. Good to know. Good to know. Thank you so much, Ms. Koki.
Thank you so much.
I hope this session was very informative for you. Should you have any questions, please comment in the chat box below. We look forward to seeing you soon.